Oh, baby, baby. Guys, welcome back to my channel. The most pretty place on the internet.
Period.
How y'all been doing? Did you see my last tutorial? You have it, I'm gonna link that right below. You know, it's your girl SummSumm. Happy, y'all. I'm super happy. Like, sometimes like life gets you, like, you be down and you be wanting to just cry your eyes out. But sometimes you can do that. But like right now I'm feeling good. You guys give me good energy. I've been having a lot of success and I'm just so excited for this year to be just okay. Why did I say that? But today, guys, I have a new tutorial. Well, it's not really a tutorial. It's like a product review slash unboxing. Actually, this video is a review on the new... What does that say? It says baked fresh. Oh my god. I got a package from Bakerie. Holy I had just been showing out, and I got the opportunity to get on the PR list of Bakerie. They sent me their newest collection coming out, and it is the Instabake foundation and concealer. OMG. Can I come here? Come here. You're a little too far. Come here. Look at these freaking foundations. First of all, the packaging, like holy balls. Called the Aqua foundation and 3-in-1 concealer. It sent me 3 shades of each, 3 foundations and 3 concealers to test myself and try out. Actually, this is not my first time wearing this. I actually wore this foundation last week on one of the looks I did, and I said, guys, I am going to be posting a video, I'm going to be posting a review, I'm going to post my honest opinion, I'm going to be posting it. Stay tuned, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, because baby, we're about to get glam. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, guys. That really helps me as an artist, influencer, and YouTuber to get ahead in my career and on my channel, and I would love for you guys to be the reason behind my success. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You know what is good. Okay, so listen, let's do the product speculations. Specs. The Instabake Aqua Flawless Foundation. It doesn't say flawless, but I put that in there. That's my own disclaimer. Is the 3 shades at the top. Let's talk about it. The fluid ounces is 0.9, so it's not quite 1 fluid ounce, but it is so nice. A lot of foundations I prefer to have a pump, like a pump to get it out, because that saves product and it's just an easier application and clean. Cruelty free. They are vegan friendly, paraben free, and gluten free. And there's also a black owned makeup brand. Turn out, yeah, black power. I'm totally utterly in. Okay, lovely. Scoot. So I got my brows on or whatever, so I'm gonna go ahead and test this foundation like I normally would any foundation testing. They sent me the shades 313W, 315W, and 317W. The expiration they have on these foundations says 12 months, by the way, so it lasts you a really good time. And it says on the packaging, inspired by the elegance and minimalist approach to the beauty that Japan is known for, the Instabake Aqua is extraordinary performance and applies like frosting. Rightfully named Instabake, this full coverage, poreless vegan formula covers anything left in its wake, from uneven tone to scars and blemishes, which is a very good introduction. I feel like that is a really good marketing sell. I really agree though, because I wore this through work, through the day, and this foundation is brazy. This is 317W right here. That one looks a little too yellow for me. This is a 315 right here. And this is the 313 right here. Alright, so those are the shades. I'm gonna like blend them in a little bit so I can see how they look. Okay, so I'm definitely thinking 315 is that girl. So whenever I test foundations, I do my normal foundation routine because I'm going to wear it like I would normally if I do end up liking the foundation, which I do. So I'm going to go in with my usual foundation routine. So I'm going to be taking the NYX Bear With Me primer. Put that all over my skin. Taking my Morphe E7, I'm going to blend this all out. And you know, I always use my birthmark as my guideline to see how full coverage or the coverage of a foundation is. So just my first layer, I'm already covering my beauty mark, which is a good sign. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first layer of the foundation. And I honestly think this is really good. It's a medium coverage, I can already tell, because it didn't completely cover. It covered this completely, but I also probably didn't put enough product over here, but didn't cover this one completely. I'm not seeing any separating or anything. I'm gonna zoom in so you can. I'm not seeing any separating. It looks really nice to me. So for the concealers, they sent me the shades 5, 6, and 7. And once again, the higher the number, the lighter the shade. So they sent me the shade 5, Dissertation, but with like dessert, like, you know, dessert. And then they sent me number 6, which is Sugar Daddy. And then number 7, which is Creme Brulee. Oh my gosh. They're so cute with the names. They're smaller than what I'm used to. These are the 3-in-1 concealers, by the way. They're smaller than what I'm used to, but it looks like they have a lot of product. It is 0.14 fluid ounces. Here is the applicator. It's so cute and small, but there's the applicator. It looks like it can fit in the crevices of your eyes, which it does. And I use the shade number 6 to highlight my brows, like carve out my brows. So I'm going to use that under my eyes as well. This is, like I said, Sugar Daddy. I'm going to be putting this under my eyes. And I think I'm going to do a couple dots of the Creme Brulee because I know I like my highlight kind of bright. I'm just going to blend this out with a beauty blender. So it's a pretty good blend out so far. This concealer you gotta work with kind of fast because it's already drying up. So we have a little bit of creasing underneath, but that's normal. I haven't set it or anything, so I expect it to do that. Of course, I'm gonna be using the Beauty Bakerie flower powder in the shade yellow to set all of this glam. I actually need more. And I don't bake, y'all. Y'all know I press the powder into the skin. Okay, guys, that is how the concealer and foundation look. Looks pretty good to me. How does that look with the hand? Oh, it looks pretty. I'm gonna put on my highlight while I let this dry down because I'm a dummy and I forgot to bronze. I'm using the ColourPop Wisp Super Shock Cheek. The Morphe Glamour Bronze, like always. So now I'm going to go in with this Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just going to do a quick everyday like look. Then do burnt orange just in the crease right there. And that's really all I'm doing for the eyes. Lashes, I'm going to be taking the, what are these called? INV Iconic Collection. This is the style 27. Do a small line of liner on top of my eyes. So those lashes can blend. Mascara. I hate new lashes. They like never want to stay on. Okay, so here's the foundation. I just did a simple like eye look. I didn't really care to do anything too impressive because this is like just a foundation review. So I really like it. The wear is beautiful. So I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna see how it lasts, and I will put my impressions of how it lasts and show you guys how it holds up. So I'll be right back. What the heck? Okay guys, I'm back, and OMG, it is currently 10:42. I went to work. I left you guys around Welcome to my job. Hello. I left you guys around 4 o'clock with the foundation on. I didn't add any extra powders, or I didn't blot, or I didn't do anything. This is the foundation since I left you guys, and this lash is coming off, like I said. So this is the foundation, and it's still super glowy and super pretty. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see. So this is zoomed in. The concealer creased a little. Well, yeah, it did do some creasing, but it's not like super noticeable unless I'm like hello. Around the mouth area, I didn't do any separating here for real. I did a little bit because I have like little dimples, but it's not super bad. But the skin looks really good, y'all. The foundation, I'm gonna give it, honestly, like, I don't know, like a 9 out of 10. Like, I love this foundation. Like, I definitely could see myself wearing this on an everyday basis. But the concealers, I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10, just because I think the size is one of the factors. Like, this is really small packaging to me. Like, I will run out of this super quick. And the creasing. So that's my review for the Beauty Bakerie new Instabake foundation and concealer collection. If you have any questions, if you have any other products you want me to review, please leave that in down bar below. I look a freaking mess. That's because I've been working my tail off for, what is it, 6 hours, almost 7 hours, 6, something like that. I don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again, Beauty Bakerie, for sending me these lovely gifts. I cannot wait to post this and show my subscribers all this goodness. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one, okay? Bye. Kisses.